Control key plus O. So the next is Control plus P. So if you have your document, for example this one, and you needed to print it out, all you need to do is to press Control key plus P. Look at the print window has been popped up, and here it says print. So if you needed to print your document, you just select your printer. Here we have bunches of printer options. You can just select one, the one that suits you. You select if you want the current page or you want everything printed. You select the number of copies, then you click OK, but we are not printing, so you just click close. And again, I'll repeat, Control key plus P helps you to print your document. Control plus P. Watch again, I press Control plus P and the print window is out. So if you needed to print your document, Control plus P helps you do that. We don't have any function of Control plus Q. Look, I'm pressing Control plus Q on MS Word. Control plus Q. Watch the screen. Nothing is happening. Nothing. I'm still pressing Control plus Q, so it doesn't have any function on MS Word. It probably does have a function on some other platform or some other text editor or how will I call it, word processor, I don't know. But here on MS Word, watch Control plus Q, watch the screen, nothing is happening. So that means we don't have a function for it in MS Word. So we need to we move to the next one. After Q, we have Control plus R. So for me to do Control plus R, I'm going to need to highlight the whole of this work, or just a single line is okay. If I highlight that and it's already to the right, okay, so I need to take it back to the left, align left. Okay, so let's move it to the left. Undo. Okay, so we have it there to the left, and I'm going to highlight it again. And if I needed to move it to the right, that's where Control key plus R come to play. So I'll just say Control plus R. I will undo that. Watch the screen. Control plus R, and so that's just the function of Control key plus R. It is to move a text to the right. Yeah, so that's it. So the next one is Control key plus T. So if I'm working on MS Word and I press Control plus T, it just helps me move tabs. Watch this ruler. We call it ruler in MS Word. The top here, this place. If you watch this little thing, as I press Control plus T, look, it's moving. I don't know if you're seeing that. So watch. I'm going to bring it back to the beginning again. I'll shift it back to the beginning, or to some extent, and I'm going to, okay, watch it from that point. This is what I'm talking about. And if I press Control plus T, watch, it's now moving. It's moving. So that's the function of Control plus T. So I'm going to undo that. It's moving. So it helps in adjusting your tabs on MS Word. So I'm going to do that again. Press Ctrl plus T and watch the screen. Ctrl plus T, watch, it's moving, it's moving, it's moving. So that's just the function of Ctrl plus T. It helps you in moving or adjusting your tabs. Okay, so after Ctrl plus T, we're going to do Ctrl plus U. Ctrl plus U helps you to underline text. So for example, if I want this text underlined and I don't want to go all the way here to underline, what I'll do, I'll just highlight my text and I'll press Ctrl plus U. Look at that. So it has underlined that. I'll undo that again. Control key plus U and it's been underlined. So that's the function of Control plus U. And so Control plus V, I have already discussed that when I was discussing Control key plus C. I said they work hand in hand. You copy from a particular place, you copy text from a particular place, and then you go to another place and use Ctrl V to paste it. So that's for Ctrl V. And after we have after V, we have Ctrl W. So if I press, look at my document, and if I press Ctrl key plus W, it's prompting me to close, and I don't want to close, so I'll close that. Okay, so the function of Ctrl key plus W is for closing a particular document. I will go again, Ctrl key plus W and watch. Okay, so that's it. It's prompting me to close and I'm not going to close. So before now, keys or windows use Control key plus X for closing. Maybe architecture has been adjusted and they now laptops now or computers now have been modernized. So Control plus W keys will help you close your document. So that's it for that. I do it again, Control key plus W, and it's prompting me to close. It says, do you want to save the document? If I click yes, then it will save and close successfully, but I'm not closing the document because I'm not done yet, so I'll close that. So the next thing now, like I said again, before now I used to use Control key plus X if I wanted to close a window. So probably again architecture has been changed and that's why it's now Control key plus W. So we're going to move forward from here. So the next after Control key plus W is Control key plus X. I just had to put off my phone that's disturbing me since messages coming in. So okay, so let's continue from here. Let's see the function of Control key plus X. So if you're working on MS Word and you highlight a particular text just like this one and you press Control key plus X, look, we had 4 lines before. Now one is gone, the one highlighted is gone. So that's the function. It's for cutting text. You cut text from one particular place, and if I press Ctrl plus V, it will return it back. So I'll do it again. I'll highlight this text. Watch, this text is being underlined, and if I press Control key plus X, Control key plus X, it's gone. So if I take my cursor or mouse or pointer to where I want the text to be, and I press Control key plus V, it's back. So that's the function of Control key plus X. You cut a particular text from a particular place, and then you take it to where you want it to be, and you paste it there. Control plus C and Control plus X, they go hand in hand with Control plus V, which is for pasting. Control plus C you use for copying, but the original document remains where it is. You just take a copy and paste it somewhere else. But Ctrl plus X removes the document entirely from where it is and paste it to another place or somewhere else. So that's just the function of Ctrl plus Y. So Ctrl plus X. So next is Ctrl plus Y. Okay, so I'm going to undo this. Watch that. The text is underlined, and we're going to see the function of Control key plus Y. If I should press Control key plus Y, okay, let's do that again. Control key plus Y is trying to undo what we've done. Let's do that again. Okay, alright. I need to press undo first. Control key plus Z is undoing what I have done. Look. Okay, I'll undo that again. I'll go back. I'll come back here. I'll take it back to the left, and then I'll say Control plus Z. Look, it's going back. It has disappeared. It has, okay, look. And that's for undoing. Control plus Z. Then if I press Control plus Y, watch, it's back again. It's back to where it was before. So Control plus Z, undo your work. Watch again. And Control plus Y, redo what has been undone. If you use Control plus Z to undo, then Control plus Y will help you redo it back again. So let me type something else down. Watch where my mouse or pointer is clicking, and I'm going to write typing. Look at it's there, typing, and I'm going to press Control plus Z, and it's erasing it. I've erased everything, and now I want my typing to appear back. I'm going to use Control plus Y. It's coming back. So that's the function of Control plus Y and Control plus Z. Control plus Z undoes what you've already done, and Control plus Y redo. So that's the function of that, and that brings us to the end of our functions of our alpha keys from A to Z in MS Word, or functions of our letter keys from A to Z in MS Word. So thanks and bye.